Hey there, water lovers! Are you ready to dive into the best water parks Europe has to offer? Let's go! Summer's here, and you know what that means. Let's ditch the boring old pool and hit some epic water slides. So buckle up, slap on that sunscreen, and grab your floaties as we explore the top 8 must-visit water parks in Europe. First up, we're jetting off to Turkey, the land of ancient history, delicious food, and Aqualand at the land of legends. This place is the royalty of water parks, dripping in luxury and packed with more thrills than you can shake a pool noodle at. Hold on to your swimsuits because the Typhoon Coaster is about to blow you away. This monster of a ride combines a roller coaster with a water slide for a double dose of adrenaline. Aqualand also has a section designed to look like an ancient city, complete with crumbling temples and hidden grottos. Seriously, this place is what water park dreams are made of. Next, we're entering the crystal-clear waters of Cyprus at the Paphos Aphrodite Water Park. This place is like stepping into a Greek myth, except instead of battling mythical creatures, you're battling your friends on awesome water slides. Prepare for liftoff on the kamikaze slide. This is not for the faint-hearted people. It's a near-vertical drop that'll have you screaming with a mix of terror and delight. But if screaming isn't your thing, you can always float your worries away on the lazy river. And speaking of bliss, have you ever wanted to experience what it's like to be a human pinball? Well, at Paphos Aphrodite, you can. They have this crazy fun area with water cannons, jets, and fountains that'll have you bouncing around like you've got springs in your swimsuit. Next, hold on to your hats. We're off to Mallorca to experience Aqualand El Arenal. Push your limits, conquer your fears, and rock those bathers like a superstar. First up, the Bonsai, a slide so fast and steep you'll question your life choices. Next, the Black Hole, spiraling through darkness at lightning speed. Aqualand El Arenal also has a massive wave pool, lazy river, and space to relax. Now hold on to your coconuts because we're about to get tropical. In the Netherlands, Tiki Pool brings the heat with its Polynesian theme and exhilarating rides. Get ready to be swept away by the cyclone, a swirling vortex of watery chaos. And if you're still craving more, the typhoon is calling your name. Sharp turns, sudden drops, and screams of pure joy. There's also a lazy river winding through lush greenery. And for the little adventurers, a dedicated kids area with mini slides and splash zones. Next, we say Guten Tag. Yes, we're heading to Northwest Germany and Netbad, an epic water park. Hold on tight because the turbo slide is about to launch you. And if you're looking for chaos, the crazy river is calling your name. Netbad has a massive indoor water park, so it's perfect for any weather. So pack your swimsuit and get ready for the magic. Pripravte. That's get ready, in check in case you were wondering. We're blasting off to Prague, the city of 100 spires, to experience the intergalactic adventures of Waterworld. First up, we're defying gravity, and maybe our sanity, on the Space Bowl. This crazy contraption will have you swirling around a giant bowl like a human washing machine before being flushed out into a pool of pure adrenaline and laughter. And if you prefer your rides with a side of wild rapids, then the Wild River is calling your name. This is no lazy river, folks. This is a white-knuckle ride through raging currents and exhilarating drops. Waterworld Prague has a fantastic spa area where you can unwind after all those intergalactic adventures. Hage from Denmark, the land of fairy tales, Lego, and amazing water parks? That's right, folks. Lalandia is here to prove that Denmark is more than just hygge and pastries, although those are pretty great too. Get ready to be swept away by the tornado, a swirling vortex of water that'll leave you feeling like you've just experienced a natural disaster, but in a good way, of course. And for a ride that's a little more tentacle-y, check out the octopus. This multi-armed monster will have you sliding and splashing in all directions, guaranteeing laughter for the whole family. They also have a huge indoor water park with something for everyone, from gentle wave pools to exciting slides to relaxing saunas. Next, it's Hola from Spain, the land of sunshine siestas and superhero water parks. You heard that right, folks. Parque Warner Beach is here to fulfill all your superhero and water park dreams, calling all Supermans and Wonder Women. Get ready to feel like you're flying on the Superman slide. This high-speed adventure will have you soaring through the air before splashing down into a pool of pure exhilaration. Parque Warner Beach has got you covered with its lazy river, wave pool, and plenty of space to soak up the Spanish sun. So whether you're looking to save the world or just have an awesome day, Parque Warner Beach is the perfect destination. So there you have it, water lovers. 8 epic water parks in Europe, begging to be added to your bucket list. From heart-stopping slides to relaxing lazy rivers, there's something for everyone at these aquatic wonderlands. So what are you waiting for? Pack your swimsuit, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're seeking thrills, culture, or simply a new playground to conquer, we've got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting adventures. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know where you'd love to explore next. Until next time.